guys, so on Thursday, it's now Sunday. On Thursday morning we found this little baby bird in the yard, and because of Luke we can't leave it on the floor. So anyway, I've got this big parrot cage. So I brought it in, kept it in that, and then later on in the day I took it out to try and encourage it to fly because she's actually pretty big. Her wings are fully developed, so technically she should be able to fly. She just doesn't know how to yet. So anyways, I took her out on Thursday, tried to get her to fly, no success. Tried again on Friday, no success, but then something happened while we were outside, and it happened again yesterday, and I'm hoping to catch this happening on camera. And I'm not going to tell you what it is because I feel like if I say it now I'm going to jinx it and it won't happen, because yesterday when I took the camera out to try and catch this happening, it didn't happen. So hopefully I'm going to show you guys what is happening. That sounds very weird and rambly. Yeah, this is why I have jump cuts in my main channel. Anyways, let's go outside. So this is Piddles, the little bird that fell down on Wednesday night. And she's very excited to be outside. So I need to take off one glove so I can help her out and stuff. And also maybe get her out of the pool if she falls in the pool, because yesterday she did that while she was trying to fly. Yeah. Give me a second. Call mommy. Call louder. Call. Keep calling. Is there mom in the tree? Proof that parent birds do not abandon their babies if they have been touched by humans. My hand is so shaky. Finally got it on camera. So I haven't edited anything yet, so I don't know how shaky that last clip that you saw was. It was probably really bad because, I don't know, my hand was trying to twerk or something as soon as Mother Bird appeared. But I wanted to get the whole thing in one shot from the time I put Piddles down to her mother coming to feed her, to prove that parent birds do not abandon their babies if they have been touched by humans. If they abandon their babies, they are just bad parents. But fortunately for Piddles, she has a very loving mother who comes to feed her twice a day. So I will try and keep you guys updated on what happens with Piddles, and hopefully I will catch her flying off into the sunset with Mother Bird on camera. So subscribe if you want to stay updated with that, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video whenever that is. Bye!